name is Natalie and I'm here to help you navigate through the Children's University website and your dashboard. So at this point, you should have received your username and password. If you haven't, you need to speak to one of the adults responsible for running the Children's University where you are. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, they can reset it for you. So you need to open a browser and search for Children's University, or visit www.childrensuniversity.co.uk. In the top right-hand corner, you will see the login area. Click here and log in as a child. You'll then enter your username and password, and then you'll be taken to your dashboard, which will look similar to this. So the first thing to do is to add in a stamp code that you have received from a learning destination or validated activity. Click Add a Stamp and enter the code. They are always a colour and 4 numbers. I'm going to add a code in, yellow 2619, then click Add your code. There, all done. You can now go back to your dashboard by clicking on Go Back to Dashboard, or by clicking on the CU logo. A word to the wise, if you are tempted to randomly add stamp codes in, be aware. Not only the staff, but the area coordinators can see the stamp codes on your account. And if we think you've added codes on in an attempt to cheat the system, you might be removed altogether from the scheme. Accidents do happen though, so if you have added a stamp code on by mistake and it's not right, please tell an adult. So back to your dashboard. What else can you do? Well, you can see how much time you have earned so far. You can see what level you are at, and you can also see what stamp codes you've added recently. Don't have a stamp code but think you should get one? Maybe you did something with your family or friends at the weekend and you think it deserves a stamp code as learning took place. Click on Don't have a stamp code. It will take you to this screen and you need to add the following information. What did you do? Where did you do it? How long did it take? And what learning took place? The more information the better, as without it, we won't be able to make a decision, as all questions come straight to the Children's University Project Manager, not your teacher or group leader. You may be asked to send evidence of your learning, such as a photo or video. If you are awarded a stamp, it will pop up under Recent Stamps. Click on Ask a Question and type in the box. Remember to add in as much information as you can to help your teacher or group leader to answer you. They won't be able to contact you via the portal, but they will be able to speak to you about your question. If you scroll down right to the bottom of your screen, you will be able to see all of the activities that have been registered at your school or group. There are also some stamps to collect and data on your top skills and top categories, so you can see what types of things you have enjoyed learning so far. Click on Find an Activity at the top where all the shortcuts are. You can find activities which are local to you by putting in where you live and clicking Find Activities. Or go one further and add in a descriptive word for the activity you want to find, such as football in your area. You can also click on More Options and choose activities based on your age, how much it might cost, the type of activity, or the skills you'll gain. If you are searching in your area, don't forget to sort by distance. You can also sort by best match and name too. Finally, you can change the way the results are displayed by clicking on List or Map View. When you find a listing you want to know more about, click on Read More. You'll be able to see a description of the activity, the person to contact, and how much the activity costs. Get in touch and tell them that you are part of the Children's University. I hope that this video answered all of your questions, but if it didn't, please ask one of the adults running your scheme, or get in touch with the person running the Children's University by you by clicking on Find a Children's University and adding your location. You'll see the contact details of someone who can help you. Have a great time collecting your stamp codes. You're a part of something truly amazing.